TJ transfer case shifter. Start by removing the 4 bolts holding the shifter linkage to the driver's side of the tub. Next, pull the nut and washer off of the transfer case shifter arm. Be sure to save them, you will need them later. Pop off the shifter arm, the linkage at the shifter, and the linkage on the transfer case. The linkage should be free now, just toss it off to the side. Remove the 2 nuts holding the transfer case bracket. As a side note, older TJs had different styles of bracket from the ones shown in this video, but they bolt up the same. Just toss this bracket to the side as well. Install the new transfer case bracket and tighten the nuts. Here's where having a friend comes in handy. Holding the body bracket, have a friend pass the bolt through the tub and bracket, then tighten the nuts. Knock the stock bushing out of the shifter case handle. Install the new shifter arm and tighten with the nut and washer you saved from earlier. Install one end of the cable through the body bracket and install the lock washer and nut hand tight. Spin the clevis down the threads about 3/8 of an inch. With the shifter handle in 4 low and about 1/4 of an inch of cable rod sticking out, adjust the clevis and the bulkhead fittings to align the holes. Install the supplied bushing in the shifter arm along with the clevis and spring pin. Spin the jam nut out to the clevis. Repeat the process on the transfer case bracket, ensuring the transfer case is in 4 low. Little pressure will be needed to get the cable to align with the bracket. Test the shifter to make sure you have all the gears, then tighten all the bulkhead nuts and jam nuts. For more information, head over to Steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.